Alright, people, good evening, good morning, good night, wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to the channel. This is Manning's Man. Hope you're having a fabulous day, night, or morning. Alright, we have a big one for you today. Some great breaking information that we want to share with you. You will recognize that we're operating from a very secluded place, high level security. We're operating under tight security, you understand me, undisclosed location, but we had to drop this video. We're not in a certain place, we're in a certain place, but we still have to provide you with some important information. And for this video, I want to share with you briefly some information that I've just received as it relates to the Reggae Boys senior coaching position, in particular as it relates to one Mr. Paul Hall. Alright, breaking stuff, you understand me, that I am going to get in depth with and share with you. But here's the deal. This Sunday, this is August we're in, this Sunday, check the date, it's supposed to be my birthday. You understand me? And you see, every day leading up to the birthday from you get the video here, we need at least 14 subscribers, new subscribers to the platform, so that we're trying to get to 5,000 by that time. I'm gonna reach here, but if every person get 14, we'll get there. So help me with that. Help me get some subscribers to the platform. Alright, outside of that, please hit the like button and share this video because it is important. Alright, you'd have been reading in some newspaper article that a decision concerning the head coach is very close, and this is coming from the side of his agent, not really from the federation, because the federation in an earlier article stated that things were kind of far apart, but we're still discussing. Now, right after the Adidas deal, the agent has spoken saying that things are close. Decision is close. Alright? So like I said, I'm not in a certain space. So as I arrive, the Eagles, the American Eagles, there are documents that I perused and have discovered something. No, I don't know that the powers that be will discuss this or bring it up, but management have to share it with the people, because I want the people to really I want the people to tell me in the comment section what decision should be made, wise or unwise, concerning this matter. Now, by now, you know that the agent for Paul Hall is Fitzroy Simpson. Fitzroy Simpson is a part of a company with two other individuals that have been engaging several sponsors to come on board and support the JFF. This is now for 2.5 years. People, it has taken 2.5 years to be precise to get this deal done. 2.5 years, meaning before Paul Hall even was an assistant coach, this group of people were employed by the JFF to seek sponsorship, though the JFF on several interviews deny any knowledge of these said people owning the Reggae Boys logo. Alright, but we're not going to get into that tonight. We're not going to get into that part. We're going to stick to the coaching. Please hit the like button. Hit the like button. Alright, so now that the deal has been finalized, and one of the first things that you're hearing coming out of this deal is Paul Hall's employment. Quite contrary, because the agent for Paul Hall and the negotiator for the deal is one and the same. So it is reasonable to believe if he negotiated the deal, he has a vested interest in his client getting the job. Pick sense out of nonsense. And that is why the agent has come up with this new thing suggesting that a deal is close. Read it in the newspapers. But what has management found out? Well, I have stumbled upon some sheets and some pieces of papers right out of the eagle's mouth. And on these documentation, should I show you them? Should I show you them? Don't think because I don't want to see names and signatures and addresses. But in these things, it is written that there's a proposed $25,000 a month salary for Paul Hall. Remember, Whitmore was getting like 800,000 to 900,000. So 25,000 is basically 3 times. 3 8 is 24, 2.4 million. 25,000 is more than 3 times the salary that the JFF could not pay Coach Theodore Whitmore. So the salary demand that we have stumbled upon is a 25,000 a month salary. Now the people in the States going to say that is not a lot of money. The people probably in England will say that is not a lot of money. But in the Jamaican context, it's a lot of money. But the person who negotiated the Adidas deal knows the amount of money coming into the coffers. So it is obvious that he knows that $25,000 a month is an affordable amount. What do you think? Not only that, people, there's a particular place, you know, Miami Beach and Florida, Miami. It is also being proposed that as part of the salary, to be closer to the island, that the said coach will relocate in Miami at the expense of the federation. At the expense of the federation. So instead of living in Jamaica, the coach would live in Miami and operate from there as the head coach at the expense of the federation. And that amount we have ascertained is somewhere between 8 to 10,000 US a month. So if you add, say, let's use a lower amount, 8,000 and 25. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3, carry 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. That's 33,000 US dollars. It's calculating up to around 4.8 million Jamaican dollars a month. The fact that this sort of demand or request is being made is really pointing to how lucrative this Adidas deal is. But most importantly, should Paul Hall be commanding such a salary? Has he done the kind of work? Or should we be, if we're paying this amount of money, should we go for someone who is higher qualified? I'm just asking. Either way, it don't matter to me. I just want the team to win. But does it matter to you? Listen, I want to put the next thing to rest. As I landed in the place on this close location, there's a gentleman that people have been calling his name, that he wants to run for the JFF and he wants to be. Listen, the gentleman goes by the name Williams. He has categorically and emphatically spoken face to face and on phone up to recently to state to the leadership of the football that he has no interest in campaigning against them. In fact, he thinks that he could be of value to them in an advisory capacity. What say you? These are the kind of information that we have been able to stumble upon in this new location. Nice, cool, browner than before. Your boy man looking fresh, wearing my Arsenal shirt. But wanted to share those two bits of information with you. I'd love to get your comments. Should we be spending $4.5 million on a coach, or in particular Mr. Hall? Put that in the comment section. Also, I want you to put to rest this idea of Mr. Williams running for the presidency. He will not. Don't let nobody tell you nothing. So you see the newspaper article that you have seen suggesting that a deal is close. I put it to you is that was just an agent pushing a narrative to put pressure on the powers that be to make a decision in favor of his client. Let's do a poll. Tell me, what say you? A man is man. This is I am sure. As usual,